Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the text size in Android. Also, I wonder why you want to change the text size in your Android phone. Maybe because you think the text of your phone is too little and it's really hard for you to read it. Or maybe it is too big and you think it should be smaller so it will look good. Or maybe you just want the simpler one. You just want the default one or whatever the reason it could be. In this video, I'll show you how easily you can change the text size of your Android phone. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So the text you can see right now is the default size of the text in a mobile phone. But we will see how we can make it bigger and how we can make it smaller. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone. This is the settings icon. You just have to simply tap on and then you will get into the settings of your mobile phone. On the top, as you can see, it is saying settings and it has a lot of options. Every option has its own purpose, so we have to find an option through which we can change the text size. So for that, you just have to scroll down a bit and there you will see this option which says display and brightness. Every Android phone has different options, but display is available in every Android phone. So you just have to simply click on it and then you will get into the display and brightness. There you will see again a lot of options. So here we have this option which says font size. If you click on it, first it has a description that is written on the top. You can read it, and under it you can see we have three options. These three options are actually the size. So if you want to make the text bigger, then you have to click on the right A, and if you want to make the text smaller, then you have to click on the left A. So here I have make the text bigger, and as you can see now the font is bigger. But if I again go back into the font size and I click on the middle one, then the size will get smaller. And if we click on the smallest A, the size will get the smallest. So if you are a person who has an eyesight problem, then I will suggest you that you should go with a bigger text size. But if you are a person who prefers the smaller one, then you can select the smaller one. But the default one is the basic one that everyone prefers because it is not too big and not too small. So it's very much useful for the people. But you can choose any one of these, whatever you prefer. You just have to simply click on it and that font size will be selected as your mobile's font size. So it was this simple to change the size of your mobile phone text from bigger to smaller or from smaller to bigger. This was the easiest way I know through which you can change that font size in your mobile phone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.